Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Editors. If you have mistakenly signed up for Microsoft Office 365, a subscription wherein you pay a monthly fee or a yearly fee, and you want to cancel it, in this video I'll simply show you a few instructions and that will help you to cancel your subscription. So bring up a web browser on your computer, further type account.live.com. In the next window, you need to sign into your Microsoft account. As I'm already signed into my account, you will probably need to go through the sign-in process. Go ahead and enter your email address associated with your Microsoft services and enter the password. As soon as you get to this dashboard, you're going to see at the top subscription. And here, if you notice, I have Microsoft 365 Personal, which is on right now. The recurring billing is off though, but it is still on. So I want to go ahead and take care of this. So click on View All Subscriptions here. If I want to cancel it, there's a button here on the right, Manage. And in the next window, look for Cancel Subscription. Click on it. Scroll it down and click on I do not want my subscription. And this is it. This is how you can go ahead and cancel your 365 subscription. So if you also unwillingly signed up for something like that, a Microsoft Office 365, these are the only instructions you have to follow to unsubscribe from it. If you have found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. Don't forget to share the video with your friends or family. Also, subscribe Crazy Editors for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. Thank you for watching. You have a lovely rest of the day, and I'll see you in the next one.